Good afternoon. Yes, am I audible? Let me check. Yes, dear. Very good afternoon, dear. Am I audible now? No. Yes, guys, if I'm audible, give a thumbs up. Okay. So, guys, very good afternoon to everyone. I hope now it's okay. Is it all right now, guys? Okay, that's really great. Pakka, I'm audible now. Okay, guys. So, guys, welcome to your very own channel. Let's crack NEET UG. Myself, Sharada Alok. I have been teaching chemistry at one of the renowned coaching institute of Kota from past 10 years. So, guys, how you can get connected to us? Let me tell you that. First of all, what you have to do, you just download the Unacademy learning app. I'm repeating, first of all, you have to download Unacademy learning app. Okay, guys? First of all, I'm again repeating. First of all, you can get connected to us only by downloading an Academy Learning app. Come on, guys, if you have not shared it, please share it to your friends so that they also can be the part of the class. Now, what are the benefit of taking this plus subscription? But before that, I just want to tell you, yes, you all have downloaded. Those who have not downloaded the Unacademy Learning app so far, I just request you to download it, and once you download it, straight away you just go to click on NEET UG if you are preparing for NEET. Okay, guys, then you'll be having all these subscription option in front of you. So what are the benefits of taking plus subscription? Remember, these subscription are, yes, named differently. Is one more subscription today I'm going to introduce with. But before that, I would like to tell you about what are the benefits of taking plus subscription? First of all, here you get daily live classes, which is being taught by top educators. So many top educators. I'm repeating, there are so many top educators for a particular subject, isn't it? Across the nation. Okay, they are the top educators. They have been taught at top coaching institute of the nation so far. So they will be taking your classes, guys. And yes, if you have any doubt there, you can get it cleared there itself. I'm repeating, if you have any doubt, you can get clear your doubt there itself. Okay, guys, that will always help you to clear your point thoroughly. And yes, that is going to give you confidence. And yes, you can check your confidence by appearing in all these, live tests and quizzes. Can you see this? You can what you have to do is you have to be regular in all these live tests and quizzes, guys. In order to check your performance, you have to be regular in all these quizzes. First of all, what you have to do is, in order to be a part of that, yes, you have to press the bell icon. If you are new, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, guys. Okay, and you have to appear in the test as well regularly, and these tests will always able to make yourself confident for the particular topic. And not only that, by the gradual improvement in the quizzes and live tests, you can enhance your academic performance gradually. Suppose today, if you are getting, suppose I'm just giving you an example, in a particular test, suppose you have got, say, rank 50. Okay, so what is going to happen the very soon after, like in the next, quiz, or just after to that, maybe like it may depend, okay, on the basis of your hard work, but it will definitely happening that your rank is going to increase. Okay, guys, so suppose today it is 50, after few days you will be finding that it is 45, gradually it may enhance to 35, and soon you can become, like, get included in the winning lead. I'm repeating, you can included in the winning lead, winner. In order to be a part of the winner, you have to be regular, not only in this, daily life classes, rather you have to be regular in these live tests and quizzes as well, guys. Now here, what else you are going to get? See, all these, syllabus, they are basically, in fact, very precisely designed in a very structured manner. So here you'll be getting a structured course for your particular target need, isn't it? If you are targeting for that, for NEET, if you are targeting what I'm telling you, you will be getting very structured course here. Okay, guys, so this you can always be benefited out of it, isn't it? Yes, guys, if you are new to the channel, I'm repeating, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. I'm repeating again. Yes, and yes, in order to have all the notification, don't forget to press the bell icon. That will keep you updated, guys, with all the further notification, so that you don't miss any video of us. Okay, guys, anything of us. Yes, guys, coming back to structured course, we were doing what? We were doing this, we were discussing the structured course. So the structured course are actually well designed. Yes, they are well designed by top educators across the nation. Okay, and they are designed in such a way that, suppose you are targeting NEET 2021, okay, or 2022. So everything is going to be taught in such a manner that a particular topic must be covering all the questions which have been asked so far in NEET, and are, like, probably, like, very much chances are there that they will be asked in forthcoming NEET examination, guys. I'm repeating, chances are there that they will be asked in forthcoming NEET examination. Okay, and all this you can get by having only one subscription, isn't it? You are having unlimited access of not only this, live classes, not only the live test or quizzes, but you are having all the notes in a proper structured way, which is precisely designed, specifically designed by the top educator guys across the nation. Okay, guys, so you must think for taking the subscription, guys. Now, guys, can you see there is one more name added to the subscription? I'm very glad, to introduce you all with iconic subscription. I'm repeating, iconic subscription. There is one more subscription we are going to introduce. We are going to launch very, very soon, guys. So come on, all of you, just give all your ears. I'm repeating, give all your ears here only. Welcome to the class, NEET aspirant. What's your name, dear? Yes, iconic subscription. We are going to launch it very soon, guys. So here, what you will get, it is all about, you'll be like, take your NEET UG preparation to next level with personal coach. I'm repeating, here you'll be getting personal coaches, which is very much required nowadays, guys, isn't it? So here, what will be these personal coach will do to you, you will be getting proper guidance. I'm repeating, here you will be getting one-to-one guidance, guys. Ritu, welcome to the class, Ritu. Here you'll be getting one-to-one guidance from top exam expert as your personal coach to align your preparation strategy. Guys, like most of the time it happens just by, watching all the live videos, just by being regular may not help you that much as it is supposed to be, because there are many times it happens that after a continuous preparation, or like if not you're not able to give proper, you know, uh, I mean proper, what you actually expect in the test. If you are not supposed for a particular test, if you are not getting up to your expectation, what happens? Your motivation goes somewhere, like it gets doomed down. So that will be, you'll be motivated time to time, not only with a proper motivational, talk, but for motivational program, everything. Like that personal coach is going to motivate you, is going to counsel you time to time, is always do his or her every best in order to boost your confidence up. Okay, guys. And yes, he will definitely help you for the particular topic as well. That is foremost requirement. But apart from that, the personal coach will do all this as well, which is very, very required of the present scenario, guys. Isn't it? Welcome to Sach Karan Singh. Very good afternoon to the class, dear. Himanshi, wonderful, beta. Very, very good afternoon. Yes, yes, if you all are, come on, geared up to study in a very, very motivational way, very energetic way. Come on, just give a thumbs up, guys. Ekagra, very good afternoon, dear. Come on, guys. If you all want me to have a very, very motivational class, come on, give a big thumbs up, isn't it? मुझे भी तो energy चाहिए, isn't it? Yes, for that, I need your thumbs up. I'm a new student. Need Ritu, you are a new student. No worries, dear. You today only, like, if even if you are a new student, you won't be feeling anything missed up. Okay, like suppose if something is being taught and you like might not, I might not cover in today's lecture, thinking that that particular thing is already covered in my previous lecture. Just message in my, just I'm repeating, just a message in my comment box so that I will cover that thing as well. Okay, guys, so that nothing should be felt by you as it is missing or I'm lagging somewhere. Am I clear, Ritu? If I'm clear, just give a thumbs up to me. Okay, that's really, I got it. I got it. Yesterday I saw you. Himanshi saying, ma'am, I'm your Unacademy NEET UG student. Welcome to the class, dear. So Ritu, am I clear, beta? If I'm clear, just give a thumbs up. Thank you. She's saying you're super. Thank you for the compliment. In fact, you do needs energy, guys. Okay, that's really great. Yes, ma'am, you are promoting thumbs up. No, I'm not at all promoting thumbs up. I'm promoting you all guys, like, yes, if I'm very much clear that something like you just now you said, ma'am, this is my first class. So I just wanted to clear that even if it is your first class, whatever I'm going to teach you today, if something like, if some particular topic, if I may not revise, if I may not explain properly, thinking that I've already explained in a previous class, and you are not able to get that, then you are supposed to tell me there itself. So for that I told you whether it is clear to you or not, and for that I told you to give a thumbs up. I'm not promoting thumbs up here. They are not at all like I won't say anything for that, okay, because this is an online platform. I just don't want to say anything regarding that. Okay, guys, I hope I'm very much clear now. Yes. Okay, that's very great. Jessica, welcome to the class. Ritik, welcome to the class, dear. Okay, yeah, of course, that's so true. Ekagra is giving a thumbs up and saying it's true. Very good, dear. Okay, guys, let's coming back to so personal coach. I hope it is very much clear what the role of personal coach will be there after you take this iconic subscription. Am I clear, guys? Yes. Now again, here you'll be having your academic performance. Yes, I'm repeating here, your academic performance, guys, will be analyzed by these tests. Okay, test analysis. Yes, here you'll be having test analysis. That will be, will be actually, this test is going to use in depth test analysis with personalized feedback to improve your time management and exam approach. I'm repeating, this is very, very important thing here, guys, I'm going to cover here. So just be very particular here. Okay, Ritu, thanks for the compliment. Yeah. So test analysis. See, guys, this test analysis are going to be very in-depth kind of. What is the meaning of that? Suppose you have given a particular topic and you might not be very prepared, very much prepared for that topic. So what will happen? You will not, perform that well as you are supposed to. Okay, guys. So what this test will do, your personal coach will go through all those, and that coach will give you proper feedback about the, you know, about the test performance. Okay, guys. So here what will happen that your like suppose you are supposed to score say 80% as per your performance and you are not able to do, you will definitely discuss to the coach. The coach will also go through the your score and to which question you have uh, attempted correctly, to which question you have not attempted correctly. He will tell you, he will give you a proper genuine feedback for that, and he will definitely tell you to guide, to give you the way. Yes, beta, you should study this particular topic, and you should study this particular topic, and this because of this you could not able to score well, or this topic of yours is very good, but this topic needs some improvement. I'm repeating, if this topic needs some improvement, all those things will be told to you, will be shared to you by your personal coach. Okay, guys. And yes, you might be telling, sir, मैं तो बहुत पढ़ता हूँ, but it happens, generally it happens to every one of us. Like we say that we are giving our best, but we are not able to give that much as we are supposed to, or as it is expected out of us. Welcome to the class, Pavani, Charita, welcome to the class, dear. Okay, Ritu, welcome to the class. So, guys, so basically, he will be guiding you proper time management. Guys, there are certain topics which are very easy. Just by going through, he will let you know that, okay, you should give this much time to this particular topic. You should give more time to this topic. That way, your time management will be, guided by your personal coach. And then apart from that, how you should approach the exam. See, guys, many a times it happens that in spite of being prepared for the particular topic, suppose you are not able to do that. Most of the time, it happens that you are not out of anxiety, high anxiety level, it is there. When even if you are giving a test paper, there is certain level of anxiety, and because of it, you're not able to read the proper question properly. And out of that, what happens? You just attempt a negative, just go for a negative attempt to that particular question. So your personal coach will tell you like how you should actually approach for the exam, how you should behave just before giving the exam, how you should actually get prepared for the exam, not only mentally but physically as well. So all these things will be properly guided to you. MD is saying hi, that's very great. MD, what's your name, dear? Welcome to the class. Very good afternoon, dear. Ma'am, Ritu is saying, ma'am, please give me your WhatsApp number. I want help from you. Surely you will be getting that very soon, beta. But please now look at the screen right now. Okay? So, guys, study planner. Apart from these two, you'll be having a proper, as a structured goes. Here, you'll be having even more precise to that, a study planner for that. What is this? This will ace, that is, enhance your preparation with customized study plan and bi-weekly reviews that highlight your progress. I'm repeating, this is very, very important, guys. Come on, look into this again. This is going to ease your preparation with customized study plan and bi-weekly reviews that highlight your progress, which is very, very important. One has to give a proper motivation as well time to time, that yes, you are doing good, yes, you are improving this particular topic, or yes, you need a little bit more improvement. After that, you will excel in this. So all these things are going to be covered at the time. Okay, guys, so all the benefits of plus, I hope it is cleared so far. Am I clear, guys? If I'm clear, come on, give a thumbs up in the comment box, guys. If I'm clear with all this, give a thumbs up. Yes, that's great of you guys. So, by taking this iconic subscription, I'm repeating, by taking this iconic subscription, you get, yes, what are the benefits? Live classes from top educators. I'm repeating, live classes from top educators who have been a part of top coaching been running across the country so far. Okay, guys, here you'll be getting mock tests and quizzes, structured batch course in line with exam syllabus. You know what is the meaning of this structured batch course? It will happen that after giving certain tests, you will be feeling that yes, you are doing extremely well apart from others, or you are not able to do that way, or yes, you need a little bit improvement and you are going to excel, you are going to rock. So on that level also the batches will be framed. I hope it is very much clear, so that if you're too good, you won't feel, yes, if you're too good, you won't feel overconfident, and if you are not that good, you won't be underestimated. Are you getting my point? So here Unacademy is going to nurture each and every student of every level, coming from every economical background. That is the reason it is, yes, that is the reason it is extremely economical, guys, isn't it? It is extremely affordable. I'm repeating, it is extremely affordable. See, all these personal things and study planner and in-depth test analysis. Come on, in order to have this, you have to pay much, much more than what Iconic subscription is asking for, isn't it? Let me take you there. How much you have to pay for that? So, what you have to do? This is the NEET UG subscription. Can you see? Once you come to, you will download the Unacademy learning app. You will be having this, guys. Yeah, definitely I'll be giving Ritu, don't worry. Let me take the class first here. So here you will be, once you download the Unacademy learning app, yes, वहाँ चले गए. Then just click on this NEET UG option, वहाँ भी चले गए. Then there is subscription. Once you click the subscription, from now onwards you'll be opened with two type of subscription on your screen, and it is you who have to decide whether to go for plus subscription or to go for iconic subscription. I have described them very well, and if even if I'm not cleared, you please let me know. Even if I'm not cleared, you please let me know. I'll cover that again. Yeah, sure, Pavani. Just a moment, dear. I'm going to start the class soon. She's saying, "Ma'am, please start the class." Just a moment. थोड़ा सा time दे दो मुझे. So the plus, subscription basic plan to get started, guys. Come on, India's, see. I'm going to cover India's best educator. See that you are going to get in Iconic as well. Here you get interactive live classes that you get here as well. Here you get structured courses and PDF that you get here as well. Here also live test and quizzes. Here also you will be getting. Okay, guys. So now you have to decide whether you should go for Select Plus or Select Iconic Plus. But I have already told you that. See, if you go for Iconic subscription, these are the additional things you are going to get. I'm repeating. See, whatever you have been getting in Plus subscription, all those things are going to be there, but these are the additional things you'll be getting here. Yeah, sure, I'm going to do that. Personal coach. Okay, here you'll be getting personal coach, which is very much required. Now, study planner, expert guidelines and test analysis. These things are very, very important. Suppose, and always remember, guys, if you are eligible to score, I'm just giving you an example. If you are eligible for this rank, it is going to, after having this particular Iconic subscription, it is going to boost up to somewhat like this. Yes, it is going to definitely happen, guys. So this is the benefit of taking Iconic subscription. Now it is all up to you what to go for. Okay, guys. Now, here is the NEET UG subscription for Iconic Plus. Of course, इतना सारा कुछ देंगे तो थोड़ा सा चार्ज तो ज़्यादा ही होगा. So, if you go for 1 year subscription, you have to pay 45,000 in total, guys, which costs around 3,750 rupees only. I'm repeating, this will cost you around 3,750 rupees per month only. I'm repeating, guys, all these things which you are getting under Iconic subscription, you will get the same thing by paying much higher amount in any other platform. I'm repeating, for having all the things which you are getting at Iconic subscription, you'll be getting those by paying much higher amount at any other platform. Now look at this, guys. For 2 years subscription, it is costing to you 61,000, which comes out to be 2,542 rupees only. I'm repeating, it costs you around 2,542 per month only. Okay, guys, is it clear? I hope it is clear or not. Yes, if it is clear, give a thumbs up, guys. Now, coming to this, guys. Yes, those who are getting it, give a thumbs up, guys. That's very great, you. Okay, I'll give you beta. Just hold on. I'm explaining something. Don't worry. You will get it in the description box. Don't worry. So, guys, here I hope it is clear. Yes, but for all these, you have to apply my referral code. Come on, all of you repeat. My referral code is SA10. Yes, my referral code is SA10, guys. Only after that, you have to take the subscription. Okay, because I'll be mentoring you personally. Apart from that, no doubt, you are open to all the educators available on Unacademy platform. But yes, after giving this, applying this referral code of minus say 10, yes, dear, I will taking you personal care of you as well for any of your queries. Now, guys, coming to NEET UG subscription, it is as usual, like there's no changes to that. For 1 month, you have to pay 5,400. For 3 months, it costs 13,500. For 6 months, it is 21,600, guys. But I would personally recommend you to go for 1 year subscription, guys. Yes, if you are a student of a dropper or class 12, you must go for 1 year subscription. And if you're a student of class 11, you must go for 2 years subscription, guys, isn't it? Because what will happen if you take either 1 year or 2 year subscription? What will happen, guys? You will have to suffer a lot. I'm repeating, you will have to suffer a lot, because at the end of the 1 month, you will definitely feel that it is what? It is like you will regret that you would have gone for 1 month, 3 month, or even more. Okay, guys, so there is no point in regretting. Instead of that, straight away go for 1 year subscription or go for 2 years subscription. And yes, once again, I'm repeating, don't forget to apply this referral code of mine, which is SA10, guys. I'm repeating, don't forget to apply this referral code of mine, which is SA10. Wonderful. Himanshi has given a thumbs up that she understood each and everything. So, guys, here I'm going to start the lecture. Come on, are you all ready for this energetically? If yes, give a thumbs up, guys. Okay, that's very great of you. सब कोई copy and pen लेके आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. Yes, guys, be in front of the screen with a copy and pen. We are going to start with lecture 4. Yes, we are going to start with lecture 4 of Hello Alkane. Those guys who are getting worried, come on, get ready, guys. Those who were getting worried कि यहाँ पे random courses होता है, or are we going to get in a proper synchronized way or in a proper systematic way or not? Everything will be I am going to clear you now. This is the continuous fourth lecture. I'm repeating, this is continuous fourth lecture to the topic, guys. And if you want to watch all the previous lecture of mine, you can go to the description box. It is there in that. And secondly to that, guys, if you will refer lecture 1, 2 and 3, this is in very much continuation with that. There is no randomness over here. So, which class syllabus is going on? Yes, dear, this today is Hello Alkene. Are you a student of class 11 or 12? This is the very basic, very first chapter of, very first topic of organic chemistry. I'm repeating, this is very first topic of organic chemistry of class 12, guys. Under that, today we'll be doing SN1 reaction. In continuation to all my previous lecture, today I'm going to cover SN1 reaction, guys. Okay. For class 12, this is the basic. Yes, for okay, you are from class 11. No worries, beta. I'm going to cover like all the things from the coming. You'll be discussing. You'll be getting in GOC as well. So आज यहाँ पढ़ लोगे, वहाँ पे आपको help होगा. So for class 11 also it is going to be helpful. Yes. Yeah, sure. Okay, guys. So important reactions of Hello Alkane. I'm repeating. What are the important reactions of haloalkane? Before going ahead to the next slide, I just want to tell you that for as we are doing haloalkane, we must cover all these things. Like when you will do haloalkanes, you'll be having first of all, क्योंकि बेटा बिना ये सब चीज पढ़े खाली रिएक्शन को अगर आप मगअप कर लोगे तो that will not help you. I'm telling you, this is very very important class. I'm telling you again, today's class is going to be very very important to you, because you'll be finding many of the things have been asked so far from this topic. This is one of the very very important, yet at the same time it is very difficult to understand, isn't it, Pavni, Charita? This topic is very difficult to understand otherwise, but one of the most important topic for NEET guys. So आप देखेंगे कि आज की क्लास में आप बहुत सारा कुछ ऐसा पढ़ने वाले हो which have been asked so far in NEET, which will definitely be asked in NEET forthcoming examination as well. So come on guys, बहुत ध्यान से एकदम gear up होकर बैठ जाएं. Okay guys, are you all ready for the class? Yes. So, first of all, we'll be looking at, yes, what we will finding under important reaction is substitution reaction. Yes, substitution reaction. कितने टाइप होते हैं उसके? सबसे पहले आप देखोगे it is SN1, then SN2, then SNI, that is intramolecular nucleophilic substitution, then SNNGP, चौथा है neighboring group participation. Okay guys, in nucleophilic substitution. ओके गाइस, सो ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन में देखेंगे, फिर हम आएंगे इसका एलिमिनेशन कि कैसे हेलो एल्कीन से, ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज में आता है गाइस, कि कैसे हेलो एल्कीन से अल्कीन बनता है. ओके गाइस, और यहाँ पर आपको इनमें आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन में दिखेगा कि हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे रीअरेंजमेंट रिएक्शन, SN1 में रीअरेंजमेंट्स भी होगा जो आज की क्लास में हम कवर करेंगे जहां जहां पर भी आएगा. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे कुछ जो कि आपको पढ़नी चाहिए नीट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अंडर हेलो अल्केन, वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन टुडेज क्लास गाइस. So first of all, let us cover SN1 reaction, guys. I'm repeating SN1. And come on, guys, if you have not liked the video, please like it. If you have not shared it to your friends, come on, share it so that they also can be the part of this video. And yes, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And yes, press the bell icon as well, guys. I'm repeating, press the bell icon as well in order to have all the further notification without any miss. Okay, guys. So SN1 reaction. I'm repeating this. SN1 is actually a substitution reaction in organic chemistry, the name of which, yes, guys, the name of which refers to, yes, to the Hughes in gold symbol. Hughes gold symbol, guys. Okay, of the mechanism SN, where this N stands for न्यूक्लियोफिलिक, S stands for substitution. Yes, हम ऐसा पढ़ते हैं, इसको लिखते हैं SNA, पढ़ते हैं न्यूक्लियोफिलिक substitution. And this one says what? Yes, one says the rate determining step, whether it is unimolecular or bimolecular. In case of SN1, it is unimolecular. The rate determining step is unimolecular. I hope it is clear, but we are going to discuss it even more, guys. Okay. नाउ गाइस, जब भी आप SN1 रिएक्शन देखते हैं तो आपके सामने जो सबस्ट्रेट आता है कुछ ऐसा रहता है. ये जो सबसे कॉमन रिएक्शन, सबसे कॉमन रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ SN1 है वो कुछ ऐसा है. तो सबसे पहले हम एक एक चीजों को बड़े ध्यान से समझेंगे. ये जो RX है, ऑफ कोर्स एज वी आर स्टडीइंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हेलो एल्केन, दिस मस्ट बी हेलो एल्केन गाइस. Okay, now this RX is haloalkane. Now you can see, guys, this NU minus दिख रहा है? Come on, tell me, what does this stand for? Yes, this stands for, if you are studying properly, come on, answer to me in the comment box. This NU stands for, wonderful dear, this NU stands for nucleophile. So guys, this is the haloalkane जिसके रिएक्शन की बात करेंगे. ये उस पे एक्ट करेगा, किस तरह से एक्ट करेगा हम वो आज क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. और ये कब होगा, कौन सा सॉल्वेंट आप लोगे? यस, you'll be taking polar protic सॉल्वेंट। पोलर प्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट क्या होता है मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में कवर किया है। वंडरफुल ऋतु, दिस इज न्यूक्लियोफाइल, वेरी ग्रेट ऑफ यू, यू हैव स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग नाउ, दैट्स वेरी नाइस ऑफ यू डियर। तो बेटा पोलर प्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट क्या होता है फिर भी मैं आपको बता दे रही हूँ, क्योंकि कुछ बच्चे कह रहे हैं मैम हमने पिछली क्लास अटेंड नहीं की। कोई बात नहीं है, पुराने वीडियो में देख सकते हो, बट फिर भी मैं आपको यहाँ पे भी बता रही हूँ। पोलर, सबसे पहले तो द कंपाउंड शुड बी पोलर लाइक वाटर, अल्कोहल। ओके, प्रोटिक का मतलब इट शुड एबल टू गिव अ प्रोटॉन विच इज H प्लस। तो वो कैसा सॉल्वेंट होना चाहिए? ऐसा सॉल्वेंट जो पोलर हो और ऐसा सॉल्वेंट जो प्रोटिक हो, यानी प्रोटॉन्स दे, लाइक वाटर, अल्कोहल आर ऑल व्हाट? polar protic solvent guys। या सो क्या होता है कि ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल जो है ये X को इस RX से रिप्लेस करता है यहाँ पर, और फाइनल प्रोडक्ट जो होता है, ये मैं एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे रही हूँ, हम इसे डिटेल में भी पढ़ने वाले हैं। जो यहाँ पर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट होता है दैट इज RNU, और जो X है वो एक लीविंग ग्रुप की तरह काम करता है, वो अपना निकल जाता है, इसलिए इसे लीविंग ग्रुप बोलते हैं। आई एम रिपीटिंग व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ लीविंग ग्रुप, क्योंकि इसने क्या किया, ये पहले किसके साथ था? ये पहले RX के साथ था और अब इसने उसका साथ छोड़ दिया। ओके गाइस, अब इसने उसका साथ छोड़ दिया, इसलिए इसे क्या बुलाते हैं? लीविंग ग्रुप, और इसे बुलाते हैं न्यूक्लियोफाइल। ओके गाइस, क्यों न्यूक्लियोफाइल बुलाते हैं बता रही हूँ। जैसे ये RX है, सबसे पहले क्या होता है कि ये वाला बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है। ये वाला बॉन्ड ऐसा ब्रेक होता है गाइस, जस्ट अ सेक, ये बॉन्ड ऐसे ब्रेक होता है कि यहाँ पर ये कार्बोकैटायन बनाए, ये दोनों बॉन्डेड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इस पे चले जाएं और ये कार्बोकैटायन बनाए। अब ये कार्बोकैटायन की स्टेबिलिटी के बेसिस पे इसकी रिएक्टिविटी डिसाइड होगी कि कितना फास्ट रिएक्शन करेगा या नहीं, वो हम आपको बहुत जल्द बताएंगे अगले वीडियो, अगले स्लाइड्स में। पर ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऐसा क्यों कहलाता है इसकी बात करते हैं। देखो न्यूक्लियोफाइल मतलब क्या? न्यूक्लियस लविंग, मतलब खुद इट इज व्हाट, it is very rich in electron guys, it is electron rich, so it will look to the place which are electron deficient. And you all know that carbocation is a, yes guys, it is a, I'm repeating, it is a इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट स्पीसीज। ओके, तो इस पे प्लस चार्ज भी होगा, जहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है वहां पर चार्ज कैसा होगा? यस, वहां पर चार्ज होगा प्लस। तो उस केस में यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल जो न्यूक्लियस लविंग है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, जहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन लैकिंग स्पीसीज की खोज में है, ये वहां पे जाएगा, उस पर अटैक करेगा, और गाइज यू कैन सी दैट ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको देने की कोशिश करेगा। ओके गाइज, देयरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोफाइल। न्यूक्लियो यानी न्यूक्लियस यानी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, फाइल यानी लविंग। सो ये ऐसे स्पीसीज की खोज में लगातार रहता है विच आर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट गाइस। ओके, अब यहाँ पे आप कुछ ग्राफ सा देख रहे होंगे, ये ग्राफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस। सी, हर एक पॉइंट आज की क्लास का बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज इफ यू विल go through all the previous years paper, you will be finding that बहुत बार ये SN1 रिएक्शन हेलोएल्कीन का आ चुका है, और इससे मैकेनिज्म से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस बहुत बहुत बार आता है। ओके परिमिला, speak in English ma'am? Yes, sure, definitely, I will definitely do that because that is of course required here. Come on guys, now just look at this, because someone of you is saying कि मैम थोड़ा हिंदी में बता दो, तो बीच में उधर जाना पड़ता है। Anyways, your feedback always helps me. Come on guys, look here. So you can see that सबसे पहले ये वाला है ग्राफ रिएक्टेंट का। सी, ये ग्राफ हम एनर्जी वर्सेस उसके कोऑर्डिनेट में हम प्लॉट कर रहे हैं गाइस। ओके, यहाँ पे आप देखो ये रिएक्टेंट की एनर्जी है, ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, और ये अपना एक हेलो एल्केन है। दिस Lg स्टैंड्स फॉर लीविंग ग्रुप। ओके गाइस, फिर क्या हो रहा है कि ट्रांजिशन स्टेट 1, यहाँ पे दो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट मिलते हैं आपको, ऐसा क्वेश्चन कई बार आया है SN1 में, हमें कितने ट्रांजिशन स्टेट मिलते हैं गाइस? तो यहाँ पे आपको दो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट मिलता है गाइस। तो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट 1 में क्या होता है कि ये जो आर और लिविंग ग्रुप का जो बॉन्ड है वो धीरे धीरे वीकेन होता है, वो धीरे धीरे टूटता है गाइस, और जैसे जैसे वो टूटेगा तो ऑब्वियसली लिविंग ग्रुप के ऊपर एक पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा और आर के ऊपर एक पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा। ओके, तो ये जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेज है ये एक्चुअली ट्रांजिशन स्टेट 1 पे 1 कहलाता है गाइस। ओके, Now what happens, इसके बाद ये bond gets broken down gradually. ये bond जैसे ही like it gets broken down gradually, what you have will feel that यहाँ पे ये सारा कुछ है. We have nucleophile, we have R plus, we have leaving group. अब ये depend करता है, that it all depends on, you know, how weak the leaving group is, how poor the leaving group, or how good the leaving group, or how strong the nucleophile. I mean, how better the nucleophile. इधर strong बोलना तो सही नहीं है, because we are doing SN1 reaction goals, guys. Okay, उसके बाद the very next moment you will find that gradually the bond between R and a leaving group is weakening. The same time the bond between R and nucleophile is strengthening, and leaving group is gradually left out. Okay, guys, so this is the second transition state. This type of question have been asked many a times, that how many transition states are there. And finally, what you will see as a product, we get the product as RNU. This nucleophile has very well taken the place of halide, and the halide has come out as the leaving group. I'm telling you again, guys, this transition state are very, very important, because the question have been asked so far, that which of the following truly represent. I'm just repeating it again. Which of the following, yes, I'm repeating the graph, dear, that which of the following truly represent, yes, truly represent SN1 mechanism. So you have to be very, very particular, that this is the energy of reactant, this is the energy of product. So you have to look for their space, and there must be two transition state. No, dear, I dare not. Yes, I repeated the graph. I repeated the graph, that there are two transition state, and you can see the state, just look at the diagram. The two transition states are there. So you have to click on the option where all these things are correctly placed. That will be actually, telling you about, I'm repeating, that will actually tell you about, yes, that will tell you about SN1 mechanism. Yes, Himanshi, I hope it is clear. I have repeated the graph as per your requirement here. Ritu, I repeated the graph. I hope you have put attention to the screen. I'm teaching you all, guys. Come on, now just look at this. Let us go to the next slide, guys. Okay. Now, तो आपने जो देखा, like what you actually find in SN1. So first of all, this is a stepwise mechanism. Very, very important, guys, because generally what happens, see, there is no point in learning. Okay, guys, I'm repeating you again. See, there is no point in learning or mugging up the things. Come on, just understand it properly. It is a stepwise mechanism. SN1 is a stepwise mechanism. I'm repeating, this is a stepwise. Question have been asked, what are the characteristics of SN1 mechanism, or which of the following represents SN1 mechanism, or which are the graphs correctly representing SN1 mechanism. So every slide is very, very important, guys. So come on, have a look at the screen very carefully. And those who have not liked the video so far, come on, I request you to like it, guys. And yes, don't forget to share it to your friends as well. And yes, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm repeating, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it, guys. Okay, and yes, press the bell icon as well, in order to have, all the notification. So guys, coming back to what we were doing, SN1 is a stepwise reaction. Very, very important point about it. First of all, what happens? Yes, the bond between the CBr is breaking down. So what happens during the bond? It is a heterolytic cleavage. Can you see? The bonded pair of electron are, shifted on Br. Out of that, what is happening? This is left as a leaving group. This is lost out from there. Okay, so this first step is loss of a leaving group. After that, what happens? The intermediate is forming, which is a carbocation. I'm repeating. After that, Gaurav, welcome to the class, dear. Okay, that's very great. Welcome guys to the class. बहुत सारे बच्चे क्लास में आ रहे हैं. कोई बात नहीं, अभी भी आप बहुत कुछ मिलेगा आपको. So this is what, guys, this is a intermediate, which is a carbocation. Okay, So you have to see what is happening here. Again, before proceeding, you have to see the stability of this carbocation. Yes, rearrangement will also be there. We'll be covering in the next slide. Okay, guys. So can you see this is what, guys? Cl minus. Yes, Ritu, Himanshi, nobody will be ignored. Don't worry, dear. Come on, welcome to the class. Yeah, guys. So can you see अब क्या होगा? देखिए यहाँ पे जो लीविंग ग्रुप है दैट इज Br माइनस, और जो अटैकिंग ग्रुप है न्यूक्लियोफाइल है दैट इज Cl माइनस. ओके गाइस, just an example. So what happens, this will attack to the carbocation. See, बीच में ये अगर rearrangement की जरूरत है in order to have most stable configuration, in order to have most stable carbocation, it will undergo that we are going to cover in the next slide. और उसके बाद सी आप यहाँ पर देखो, दिस विल अटैक टू दिस कार्बोकेटाइन और ये CCl बॉन्ड इज फॉर्मिंग. ओके गाइस, और फिर ये हमारा फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है. तो आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पर दो स्टेप हो रहा है. सबसे पहले क्या हो रहा है? सबसे पहले इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्म हो रहा है, लिविंग ग्रुप उसे छोड़ के जा रहा है. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज दैट, एंड देन you know then the second step is attack of nucleophile. Guys, I hope it is clear that SN1 is a stepwise mechanism. Now, guys, SN1 reaction may, as I told you that there is a what? A case of steps. There are steps. Suppose, and before that, guys, this we were talking about the carbocation. Now, the carbocation can be primary, it can be secondary, and it can be tertiary. बहुत ध्यान से समझने की जरूरत है. This carbocation can be primary, can be secondary, and can be tertiary. Now, let us see whether it will work with tertiary, secondary, or primary. See, I told you that the intermediate carbocation has to be very, very stable, guys. And if it is a primary one, guys, if it is a, I'm repeating, if the carbocation is a primary one, if R group is the primary, जिसे हम कैसे दिखाते हैं? कुछ ऐसा दिखाते हैं. ओके, ये प्राइमरी विच इज अटैच टू वन मोर कार्बन एटम. तो आप देखो इसका प्लस साई इफेक्ट, एक मिथाइल ग्रुप का प्लस साई इफेक्ट इस कार्बोकेटाइन को उतना स्टेबलाइज नहीं कर पाता जितना लाइक इफ टू मिथाइल ग्रुप would have been here, it would have been much more stable, guys, isn't it? ये ज्यादा स्टेबल हो जाएगा. ये एक प्राइमरी कार्बोकेटाइन है, गाइस, इसकी तुलना में. यस, this is secondary carbocation. It is more stable because of plus side effect of 2 methyl group, guys. Now you just go for this. Yes, what is this representing? This is representing, yes, what type of carbocation is being represented by this, guys? This one is representing, come on, message me in the comment box, what is it representing? Tertiary. Very good, guys. So tertiary is more stable because of plus I group, 3 plus I group, methyl group का plus I effect सबसे ज्यादा इसमें लगेगा. Therefore, this is more stable. This tertiary one is more stable than this secondary one, and this primary is least stable one. So this is the stability order of the carbocation, guys. So always remember that this SN1 mechanism will be fastest because more stable the carbocation, more faster the rate of reaction for SA1. So it is fastest for this, guys. Okay. Similarly, less and then least for this. Okay, guys. And we have already told you about whether vinyl, I'm repeating, whether vinyl or aryl aryl group will undergo this or not. For this, you should watch my, previous video, whether they will undergo SN1 or SN2 or not. Yes, I have told you which one will do, which one will not best. But for that, you have to watch my previous video. And I have given a very famous AV technique as well. Yes, but you have to explore that going into my previous video, and link for the same is given in the description box. I'm telling you again, this AV technique is बहुत easy सा, बहुत famous सा AV technique है. बहुत सारे बच्चों का मैसेज आया था, मैम this technique they are going to like it very, very much, and because of that they are never going to forget this. So I am again repeating, in order to have this AV technique of mine, you have to watch my previous video, whether aryl or vinyl will undergo this or not, guys. I'm repeating, whether aryl or vinyl group will undergo SN1 reaction or not. For that, I have given the particular sufficient hint as AV click, AV punch click in my previous video, guys. Okay, and whether allyl will go or not, all things have been covered in my previous video. So coming to this tertiary one, suppose you can see this is a tertiary alkyl halide. I hope it is clear that which carbocation is more stable. Now coming to this, you can see that this is a tertiary halide. Okay, guys. Now tertiary alkyl halide. This is what, guys? This is halogen. Now you can see that this nucleophile is coming near to that first of all. Okay, and then this will replace this X and will take up this, and you will be getting this substituted compound where the nucleophile has taken the position of this is coming out as the leaving group. I hope it is very clear what actually happens in SN1 reaction and how rapidly it happens with tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, guys. Now, characteristics of SN1 reaction, we'll be covering this one by one. Suppose that there is an example I'm giving you. You have to watch it very carefully, guys. There is an example of the halide like this. Okay? Suppose this is any of the halide, first of all. Now, what will happen if we talk about its reaction? First of all, what will happen, guys? This will undergo homolytic cleavage out of the influence of the solvent we are using. And yes, that solvent should be what? That solvent should be, here the solvent should be polar protic. We have already covered that. Okay, after that, what will happen? What type of carbocation we are going to have here? We'll be having CH2 plus. Now this is primary carbocation, and just now you had seen that this is not that stable. This is a primary carbocation because it is attached to only this particular carbon atom, which is here, guys. There is a carbon atom here. Therefore, this particular carbocation coming under primary carbocation. Now what will happen, guys? This methyl group will have a 1,2 shift, and they will be shifting over here, guys. I'm repeating, this will shift, this methyl shift will occur at this position. That is, it will undergo, this particular primary carbocation will undergo a rearrangement. And let us see after rearrangement what happens here. Now this methyl group will be attached to this one, and the positive charge right from here will be shifted to here. And yes, here you get a tertiary carbocation. I'm repeating, here you get a tertiary carbocation. And yes, this tertiary carbocation is much more stable than primary carbocation. I'm repeating, this tertiary carbocation is much more stable than primary carbocation. Yes, students are saying thank you, ma'am. Welcome, dear. Yes, if you have not liked the video, please like it. If you are new to the video, new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon in order to have all the forthcoming notification. Come on, guys. I told you in the beginning that it doesn't matter if you are a student of class 12 or dropper, and it doesn't matter if you have not studied, if your concept of GOC or organic chemistry, whatever is supposed to be taught in or whatever is supposed to be studied in class 11, doesn't matter. Don't bother for them at all. Okay, so I just want to use a tagline: अगर नहीं किया है mechanism, मत करो कोई गम. अब तक नहीं किया mechanism तो मत करो कोई गम, because I am going to cover हरदम. Okay, I am going to cover हरदम. सारा कुछ I am going to cover. Don't worry, even single thing which are actually supposed to be covered under this of under 11 topic, I'll be covering here. Okay, guys, and for class 11 topic on MWF, definitely I'll be taking GOC separately. Okay, guys, but without that, this lecture cannot proceed. Therefore, I'm covering all that. So coming back to, you can see that the tertiary carbocation is more stable than this primary carbocation. Therefore, this primary carbocation will undergo a rearrangement. Yes, guys, this will undergo a rearrangement. And here you had seen that this methyl 1,2 shift rearrangement is occurring, guys. Okay, guys, this methyl 1,2 shift arrangement is happening here. That is called as a rearrangement process where primary carbocation is converting into tertiary carbocation, and tertiary carbocation is more stable than primary one. Okay, guys, I hope the rearrangement, the very foremost characteristics of SN1 is that whenever the question is asked that out of the following, which is more, which reaction will occur, or the chances, or the percentage, or what will be the major product, it is going to cover all that. So in order to answer such type of question, you just have to look for the reagent, whether it is there is a probability of going rearrangement process or not. If there is a probability, first of all, in order to click for the correct product, you should look for the option whether rearrangement process can take place or not. And if there is a chance, come on, go for that only. Suppose in this case it will be forming what? It will be forming a tertiary carbocation that is more stable. So the percentage of this product will be, yes, this will be the major product here. As so what will happen, this nucleophile group will attack here. So this product will be the major and this one will be the minor, guys. So such type of questions are also asked, like which of the following product out of the following reaction will be major or minor. So each sath we have covered almost 5 type of questions which can be asked under this particular one. I hope it is very clear, guys. I hope it is very clear that this will undergo rearrangement reaction. Now, guys, coming to the characteristics of SN1 reaction, I'm repeating, coming to the characteristics of SN1 reaction, stability of carbocation. You have already seen that tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, which is further more stable than primary. I'm repeating, tertiary carbocation is more, yes, stable than secondary, and secondary is more stable than primary. I hope it is clear, guys. So coming to the next one, this is very important, guys. One of the most important one for this, and most of the time it happens that बच्चे बोलते हैं that मैम ये तो negative हो गया, because when you have to pay full attention, you're not supposed to. Come on, guys. So you have to be very careful for this when you study this. But before that, I would like to tell you, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yes, don't forget to share it to your friends. And if you have not liked the video so far, come on, like it, guys. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon as well in order to have all the further notification about us, guys. Okay. So third characteristic, which is very important, guys, if chiral carbon is there or not. Come on, you have to ask which product will be formed, which will be major, which is minor, and yes, what are the possible products. So all these factors you have to look. Before that, you must know chiral carbon. You have to look for chiral carbon as well, like which of the reactant can form, which of the reactant, what is the nature of the carbon on which the leaving group is attached to, what the product will form. Okay, so you have to be very clear for that. Come on, let us look at this example. You can see that this is the carbon which is attached to, say, here A group, here B group, here C group, and this one is the L group. So you can see that all the 4 group attached to C are different, guys. Yes, beta, bolo. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Thank you so much all of you guys. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, आपने इतने अच्छे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिए मुझे. ठीक है, अब आप ऐसा सोचते हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं तो थैंक यू बोलूंगी, हम टीचर का काम है. वी आर लाइक योर पेरेंट्स, वी ऑलवेज गिव ब्लेसिंग्स टू यू. सो गाइस, कमिंग बैक टू, you can see that the C, all the 4 groups are attached to C are different. Therefore, this particular carbon, what type of carbon it is? Yes, this particular carbon is the chiral carbon. I'm repeating, chiral carbon are those carbon which is attached to all the 4 different group. I'm repeating, chiral carbon is one which is attached to carbon which is attached to all the 4 different group. So here you can see the substrate is having a chiral carbon. Now what is happening? This leaving group, all the this bonded electron are shifted on here. That is, of course, will happen out of the influence of the solvent, but it is a slow process, and you all know that the slow process is always an RDS. What does this RDS stand for, guys? This RDS stand for, come on, I'm waiting for your answer in the comment box. This RDS is what? Yes, if you know it, answer it. in the comment box. This RDS stands for rate determining step. Wonderful, dear. Rate determining step. Kalindi is saying it is rate determining step. Of course, the step in a reaction, the process, the step which is slow is always a rate determining step, guys. So after this leaving group lifts it, we get a carbocation. I'm repeating, we get a carbocation like this. Now, you can see this is the leaving group. Now coming to this is the carbocation, guys. Now, how many groups is it is attached to? Yes, 3. So this is what here it was sp3 hybridization. But this particular carbon is sp2. Now sp2 means what, guys? Planar. I'm repeating, this sp2 means what? Planar. So all these, this is C, and these 3 group are in what? Suppose this is A, B, C. All these 4 are what, guys? Are in one plane. Now what is there? The nucleophile. Now nucleophile is free to attack from this side, that is from top side, or the nucleophile can attack to this from bottom side. I'm repeating, this is very, very important. If the probability are there, like if it is a chiral carbon, the intermediate is like this, and it is a planar one, guys, and to which the nucleophile can attack either from top position or it can attack either from bottom position. I'm repeating, the nucleophile can attack from top as well as it can attack from bottom. Any side it can attack, guys. Okay, but remember, this attacking is always a fast process, so it won't be a rate determining step. Here the rate determining step is one where the leaving group is leaving it, isn't it? That is a rate determining step, guys. So nucleophile, attack of nucleophile is a fast step. So guys, coming back to the nucleophile can attack either from top position or from back position. So in that case, if it is from top position, this will be the product. Okay, guys. If it is from bottom position, it may happen. Just a sec. Okay, the nucleophile will attack somewhat here. Are you getting my point? So this will happen, guys. So you will be having 2 products out of this chiral one, right? That will be, yes, come on. There'll be 2 product, R and S product, guys. I hope it is clear. So they are two what? They are the optical isomers. So what will happen if chiral carbon is there? The chances are there you will be having optical isomers, guys. And the questions are definitely, most of the time the questions are asked. Okay, guys. So be very particular for that. You have to look in order to find the product, in order to answer those questions. You have to be very precise. First of all, you have to look, what type of carbon it is. Okay, guys. Now, coming to this is the leaving group. We have already seen. So, and this is the substrate where this particular one is the leaving group. This is a nucleophile, guys. This one will be left as Cl minus. Now that will attack here, and this is the final product, guys. You can see. So here what is happening? This is the reason. See, Br is being substituted by Cl here. Therefore, it is called as substitution. One group which is weaker is substituted by another one which is stronger. Therefore, it is substitution. And yes, it is unimolecular. Why one is there? This is SN1, that is unimolecular. Why it is called so? Because SN1, the rate depends only on one of the reactant. One of the very important thing about SN1, guys, that is it is a unimolecular. That means the rate depends only on one of the product. That is, it depends only on that of alkyl halide. Come on, guys, it does not depend on nucleophile. Okay, suppose what will happen to rate? I'm repeating, what will happen to rate if concentration of alkyl halide is double? The rate will become twice. Yes, the rate will become twice, guys. I'm repeating, the rate will become twice. Okay, guys. And suppose if you have not made any changes to the alkyl halide, but you have double the nucleophile, what will happen to the rate? Yes, in that case, it will remain same. That is the meaning of this particular one, that it is unimolecular and the rate will depend only on the concentration of the substrate, that is alkyl halide, not on the concentration of nucleophile. Very, very important, guys. Come on, note it right now. Okay, guys. If you have not joined the lectures so far, please join it. Okay, ठीक है, अभी भी share कर लो. That's very good. Yes, guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe कर लो. Okay, Manish, मजा आ रहा है क्लास में? Yes, enjoying the class. समझ में आया है? Thanks a lot, ma'am. ये पहले मुझे क्लियर नहीं था, अब बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ है. That's very very great of you. Thank you for the compliment. Yes, we also need the feedback like that, beta. Okay. Yes. Now let us go ahead with this substitution. SN1 में और क्या चीज है जो बहुत ध्यान देने वाली बात है, हमने ये देख लिया. We had already seen the characteristics. Yes, guys, the most stable, it will undergo rearrangement. We have already seen that. That rearrangement will lead what? That it will look for stable carbocation. That is the most stable intermediate. Then if it is a chiral one, how or what are the products possible there? One of the most important thing is the leaving group ability, guys. I'm repeating. One of the most important one is leaving group. You can see all these are the leaving group, isn't it? All these are the leaving group, guys. So what happened? First of all, this leaving group will be leaving it. And yes, more good the leaving group, more easily this particular bond will be broken down. Okay, so this particular bond, whether it will break or not, it will depend on what, guys? What all factors? The leaving group ability. The better the leaving group, the easier the bond will break down. And yes, the intermediate carbocation will be forming, to which poor nucleophile is good enough as long as SN1 is concerned, guys. I'm repeating. I told you in the beginning as well. As long as SN1 is concerned, poor nucleophile is good enough. But yes, here you have to look for what? The solvent should be polar and protect. If you take water, because water has a very dielectric constant, the reaction is very very faster with water. The more polar the solvent, yes, at the same time it should be basic, but more polar the solvent, faster the reaction will be. Suppose if you take water and the other reaction is happening in alcohol, what will happen? The reaction which is happening in water will be much faster than that what is happening in alcohol, guys. Okay, so here what is happening, this is methanol, a poor nucleophile, which is good enough for having this particular reaction that will attack on this carbocation. And remember, if it is here it is a chiral carbon, the product, this nucleophile can attack either from top or it can attack from bottom. I hope it is very very clear. On that basis we'll be having the product, and this is how we get the product. Okay, guys. Now the rate will depend only on the concentration of alkyl halide, that is, it is a first order kinetics. I hope this is very 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 much clear to you all, guys. And if it is clear, just give a thumbs up in the comment box. That's very nice of you all, guys. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं इसका मतलब. Okay, guys. Coming to this leaving group, yes, inko bhi, as long as you are doing SN1 mechanism or any mechanism, you must know this leaving group, their ability, because of that, most of the time it will happen that you may not able to identify the product, you may not identify the, may reach to the conclusion where the reaction will take place or not. Okay, guys. गौरव, आई हैव नॉट ब्लॉक्ड यू बेटा, व्हाई शैल आई? सारे बच्चे मुझे दिखाई दे रहे हैं. हिमांशी, अर्पिता, ओके, ऋतु, सब दिखाई दे रहे हैं बेटा. सारे बच्चे अच्छे बच्चे हैं, सब पढ़ने में ध्यान दे रहे हैं. दैट्स वेरी ग्रेट ऑफ यू ऑल. सो गाइज, लीविंग ग्रुप होता क्या है? लाइक व्हाट इज अ लीविंग ग्रुप? यू हैड ऑलरेडी सीन दैट what a leaving group does, how it is displaced by a nucleophile. So I'm going to define you here. Leaving group is an atom or a group of atom. Remember, this is either an atom, like it can be Cl, Br, F, I. It is either an atom like this, guys, or it is a group of atom like this. Okay, yes, group of atom can only also be there. Water is a very good leaving group. So that is displaced as stable species taking with it the bonding electrons. I am repeating, taking it with the bonding electron. For example, look at this, guys. What will happen? Suppose this is the leaving group. It will take up both the electron on it, and then both the electron, it will take up both the electron, and then only it will be R plus, and this X minus 1 will be formed. I'm repeating, this X minus 1, it will come out as X minus 1, and yes, therefore it is called as a leaving group. Typically the leaving group is an anion. Remember, guys, generally what happens, see, you had seen in this case it is a neutral molecule, but in most of the cases you'll find that leaving group is an anion. So the cases where leaving group are anion, I am repeating, the cases where leaving group are anion are the chances, more chances are there. And yes, at the same time, you'll be having neutral leaving group as well, guys. I hope it is clear. Now, so leaving group, you had already seen, this is a case of chiral carbon. Okay, it should be C, then only it will be a case of chiral carbon, guys. This should be different. Now, what is happening? So this is actually the case of, this is actually the case of SN2 reaction, which we'll be doing in the next class. Okay, just I'm going to give you, because someone asked me in the comment box, मैम ये वाला ऐसा reaction कैसा होगा? Yes, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे same step होगा, जब आपका like the leaving group is also there at the same time, nucleophile is there, that is the case of SN2. We won't discuss that now. We'll be discussing about that in the next video, guys. So here the leaving group. See, always remember, let us study about leaving group a bit, guys. Look at this. Those who are new to the channel, yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe it. And you have not liked the video, come on, guys. Fatafat say like the video. Okay, that's very great of you. Like the video, guys. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. So guys, you can see that weak bases are good leaving groups. I'm repeating, weak bases you have to look for. In order to compare the leaving group ability, you have to look for weak bases or strong bases, guys. If it is a weak base, they are good leaving group. Okay. I'm repeating, if it is a weak base, they are good leaving group. So we have all these as leaving group. Come on, guys. This is very, very important one. These are the excellent leaving group. This is tosylate, iodide. These are the excellent leaving group because they are very, very weak base in nature. And these are just good leaving group. Just now I told you water is a good leaving group. And these are just all right kind of, okay, kind of leaving group, acetate, chloride. And they are very, very weak, poor, I would say rather poor living group, isn't it? So guys, you have seen that actually on depends on the pK of the conjugate acid, isn't it? That depends on pK of the conjugate acid, or you can say the stability of the conjugate base. They all together decide the leaving group ability, guys. I hope it is clear. So guys, these are not leaving group for most cases in undergraduate courses. So where you see, anyways, I hope it is very, very clear that what all things are actually decided, whether a particular group will act as a leaving group or not, and how all the particular leaving group becomes a good leaving group or a poor leaving group. I hope it is clear to you all. Now coming to you, one of the most important thing, guys, this is very important. Please look at the bottom. Ferric chloride, aluminum chloride, ferric bromide, aluminum bromide, BF3. They are all examples of Lewis acid. We know that. They are all examples of Lewis acid that is there. Octet is not completed. Okay. Himanshi, wonderful beta. Abhijit, that's very great of you. Now coming back to the guys, what we were discussing. These are what? Lewis acid. What is the meaning of Lewis acid? Yes, their octet are not completed. That is, their octet are not completed firstly. But one more thing. or they should have empty orbital. They should have what, guys? Empty orbital, so that they can take up electron. For example, in this case, the octet is not completed, guys. Okay, I hope it is clear. And in all these cases, empty orbitals are there, guys. I hope it is clear in this cases. Okay, I hope it is clear. Empty orbitals are there here. Okay, so these are the example of Lewis acid that can be used to make functional group into better Lewis group. Better Lewis group. This is very, very important, guys. This makes the group better Lewis group, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Now just look at this. Suppose this is the substrate. Okay, tertiary alkyl halide is there. Now you must have studied that this tertiary halide group, I'm repeating, you have done this in POC, that is practical organic chemistry. You must have come under that tertiary halide, tertiary alkyl halide. I'm repeating, tertiary alkyl halide gives a precipitate of AgCl with AgNO3 with aqueous NO3. It gives white precipitate very, very fast. You have studied this there, guys. Do you remember that? And I'm also going to give you a punch click. T for tertiary and T for Turant. Yes, out of tertiary, secondary, out of tertiary, secondary, and primary. I'm repeating, out of tertiary, secondary, and primary. Tertiary gives the alkyl halide precipitate. Okay, this AgCl precipitate to run. That is fast, immediately after adding that. And this secondary takes 5 minutes, and permanent, primary one takes permanent time, matlab bahut zyada time, almost 30 minutes minimum, or rarely you will have a very little precipitate, white precipitate with primary one. Remember, guys. So let us see why that happens here. So what is happening, the Cl is accepted by this, guys, because it is acting as what? Yes, AgCl. It can accept those lone pair of electron because it is having empty orbital. So this AgCl, you can see it is acting as a better leaving group. I repeat, this is acting as a better leaving group. And yes, guys, after that, the carbocation is forming, to which is attacked by this group. And this is the product. Again, what is happening? This H2O are there. There is a plus charge on that. This I'm covering in all, guys, in a nutshell. This H2O is taking up this proton out here because this is a better, acting as a better what? Leaving group. I told you this is a better group. Now you can see this is the product and this group is left out. I hope it is clear that tertiary one will faster than secondary, which is further faster than primary, and a better leaving group will always, makes the reaction faster. So these are the example for your notes, guys. As some of you were asking, कि ma'am और examples दे दो. So these are the examples of leaving group, and you just remember, guys, you need to go through them again and again. Then only you will feel that yes, lot of confidence has come to you. Okay, because these are not only being asked over here, they'll be coming most of the time, as long as you'll be doing mechanism. I'm repeating, as well long as you'll be doing mechanism. In order to master organic chemistry, you must know all these things very, very well, guys. You must know what all groups can be moderate leaving group, what all group acts as poor leaving group, or what are extremely poor leaving group. Okay, what are extremely weak bases, that is what are, if weak bases, they are extremely good leaving group, so excellent leaving group. You should know all these about, and that is the reason I've given you here. Okay, guys, I hope it is clear. If it is clear, come on, give a thumbs up in the comment box. Aji. Okay, Alok, very good afternoon. If it is clear, give a thumbs up. Yes, dear Kalindi, thumbs up. Manish, thumbs up. Minakshi, thumbs up. Okay, I'm very happy that it is clear to you all. So, yes, why this is given here, guys. So, you have to learn this, guys. This is very, very important, and no need to mug up. As I told you in the beginning, there is no need to mug up. What you have to do, just a bachpan mein, you must have gone through the different tables now. Similarly, here also you have to go through these things again and again. And trust me, on a regular basis, like if you are having tea, if you are having breakfast, or even if you are just, just sitting idle and just scrolling down the mobile, at the same time you can do one thing, just have a 5-minute look at this, and just you have to do that for a week only. Okay guys, just you have to look for a week, and you will feel that yes, it is already there in your brain. Or you can see, you can do one thing, you can take a screenshot of it, guys. You can make it a wallpaper. I'm giving you all this, these are the new tricks to become. I told you in the beginning, believe in smart hard work. So this is one of the asset for that. These are the new trick. You either take a screenshot of this particular slide, make it a wallpaper, and whenever you're supposed to scroll down the mobile for any purpose, just have a 1-minute look all the time. Okay, gradually you'll feel that initially you'll have to give a 5-minute look, then 4 minute, 1 minute will sufficient enough to have this revision, isn't it? And after a week or 10 days, you'll find that these things are automatically coming into your mind, that which all group act as excellent living group, or which are moderate living group, or which are poor living group, or which are extremely poor living group. I'm repeating it once again, guys. Just take a screenshot. You can make a wallpaper, or you can take printout of that and just keep it on the wall of your study room around you. Yes guys, then you will able to understand it properly. So guys, this is all for now. Yes, if you want me to explain any particular topic, then please mention it in the comment box. Otherwise, just give a thumbs up if you have understood it properly. I'm waiting for your thumbs up, guys. Okay, that means you all have understood it properly. Guys, one of the important thing at the end, whether you are going for iconic or plus subscription, don't forget, guys, don't forget to press this referral code of mine, SA10, in order to avail the subscription, in order to avail the discount subscription for plus, or in order to have, even if you are going for iconic subscription, don't forget to refer my referral code, so that I can take a personal care of you. If any tension or if any kind of queries is there, I'm always there to answer you personally, isn't it? Now you can, one more thing, you are kindly requested, if you are new to the channel, just subscribe it. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon in order to have, yes, I'm repeating, in order to have what, forthcoming notification without any missing. So thank you guys, thank you for now. See you in my next video. Okay guys, thank you so much for now. I hope you might be benefited from today's video. And yes, for previous things, for the things which have been taught so far in my previous video, I would like to tell you that if you could not get that, you're supposed to go to the description box and you will be finding a link for all my previous video. You can watch them. And yes, don't forget to go through my AV technique, whether vinyl or aryl group will undergo SN1, SN2 or not. For that, I've given an AV technique in my previous video. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. You must be benefited out of that. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Happy smart study to you. Okay guys, bye bye for now.